Uniswap could see a 4.5% decrease by May 27, according to Capital Collector. Let's take a second to assess the current momentum. Uniswap is showing a 0.5% loss since yesterday and now trades close to $3.347. Here come the forecasts from our analysts. Capital Collector says the price could ease to $3.198 by May 27, with a decline of roughly 4.5%. 30 Rates projects a slide down to $3.269 for Uniswap, implying a loss of 2.4%. CoinLore notes it might drift lower toward $3.30, a projected decrease close to 1.4%. Another forecast from CoinCodex suggests Uniswap could reach $3.353. That's an estimated gain of about 0.1%. And last but not least, Crypto Predictions predicts $3.638 by tomorrow, a rise of 8.7%. This one gives the best return potential. That wraps up this section. Let's keep going. Let's break down each prediction into potential outcomes. The forecast range now stands between a decline of 4.5% and a gain of 8.7%. The final takeaway is that Crypto Predictions expects the top return with 8.7% gain in value by tomorrow. So it turns out you might see gains of between $1 and $87 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to odds, CoinCodex comes first with a 95.3% chance of success. From the 5 analysts' forecasts, I've outlined one combined consensus scenario. Consensus points to Uniswap trading near $3.352. Let's take a look at the numbers. Consensus outlook shows the price advancing by 0.1%. Put simply, your capital could climb by around 0.1% in line with that move. A 1,000 investment could illustrate a profit of about $1 in this case. According to the analysis, the chance of the consensus scenario playing out is around 95.3%. Here's where we look at the 3-day predictions across analysts. Capital Collector emphasizes selling pressure dominating. Meanwhile, 30 Rates signals a short-term move lower. Additionally, CoinLore expects Uniswap to fall. A bearish stance is additionally reflected in CoinCodex's forecast. Crypto Prediction sees the chart leaning upward. The consensus stance reflects a weaker picture, pointing to Uniswap trending lower. So 80% of the outlooks point to Uniswap weakening during this horizon. 5 forecasts were shared 2 days ago. Yesterday provided the results to evaluate. As a result, the price action finished at $3.33. The closing price showed that just a handful of forecasts were accurate. The smallest error belonged to the forecast of digital coin price. Time to sort through the results more carefully. The daily candle contained 2 forecasts. For ROI, part of the group finished in profit, with the strongest outcome at 3.8%. This table shows the complete fact, check summary, everything in one view. For digital coin price, forecast probability is 85.4% accuracy and ROI 2.6%. Can you tell which analyst came the closest to reality? Let's take a look at how the expected returns for tomorrow compare among a few selected cryptocurrencies. In tomorrow's ranking, Uniswap stands at 5th, with Render leading the pack at 8.9%. Right now, we're displaying a short preview with 5 coins, and you'll find broader coverage and more forecasts on my website. We're done here. Stay subscribed to keep seeing the stats that matter. Take it easy. See you next time.